with is a half a cup we make some peanut butter, or whatever flavor you want, nice cream. How delicious is that? It's not the brownies. That'll be another video later. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started on some really fast and quick and easy nice cream. Let me let you in on a little secret that we have in our house. We have a banana bag. What we do is when our bananas, sorry, Steve's MacBook is going crazy on my video. But anyways, you know, normally when you would make banana bread, when your bananas are starting to turn, instead we stick them in the freezer bag and freeze them so we can make nice cream. So there's always a bag of bananas frozen or being frozen in our freezer. So what you're going to do is, the original recipe is 4 bananas. There's more than 4 in here. Let's see, it's 1, 2, let's see, actually, 3, 4, like about 4.5 in here. And you just put them in your food processor. Put this back in the freezer because nothing's wrong with it. And then, to that, you're going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Maybe if I can get it out of there. And then you're going to add about 1/4 to 1/2 cup of your plant milk, your unflavored plant milk. You can add more, but you can't take away. Remember that? And today, I'm going to make a peanut butter nice cream. So this is 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and don't forget the Kroger brand, the Kroger Natural, has no added oils. It's just peanuts and salt. So we're going to add this. Now you can easily add some frozen strawberries to this. Sorry, look at my finger. Frozen strawberries to this. You can add any other kind of frozen berry to this, frozen fruit to this. You could add some cocoa, some unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of that to this, and it'll give you like a chocolate ice cream. Don't be afraid to experiment with it and try things, because with bananas you're going to throw away anyways, right? So now you're just going to process it, and it's going to get really loud. Scrape down the sides. So at this point, let me get a spoon. You have a yummy, yummy, soft serve type of ice cream, as you can see, and it is delicious. You can eat it from this stage, which we do a lot, or you can go ahead and freeze it. You freeze it for about 30 minutes, it will set up a little harder, and if you freeze it for like an hour, it'll be really hard like a normal ice cream. So there you have it, yummy, yummy, plant-based, whole food, nice cream. So be sure to like and subscribe and share and try the recipes and ring the bell and leave a comment and be blessed.